All right, guys, so this is actually part one, ionic compounds, meaning that the metals are combined with the nonmetals. Again, ionic compound means that nonmetals, metals first, actually combine with the nonmetals. If you notice in here, there are different numbers, 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 3 minus, 2 minus, and 1 minus, and 0. Meaning that some of them actually gain electrons and some of them lost electrons. If they lost electrons, that means that they actually lost negative charges, meaning that they're 1 plus and 2 plus, meaning that they don't have any more of those electrons, okay? The same with the 3 plus. If you look at the CPS classroom and go to the assignment that says ionic compounds, you notice the coloring here. The green color is actually for the metals, and the red colors are for the non-metals. So you're going to color on your paper the metals, which are actually the green ones, and the non-metals, which are actually the red ones, okay? Again, I'm going to put it right here, go to my CPS classroom, go to the assignment, and you're going to see this picture, okay? And it's going to help you. Why is that? Because you're going to find out the name of each one of the elements, and you're going to use it eventually to complete this paper and earn the full grade, okay? So this is actually what you're going to be doing in here. That's it. Now you're going to move on to number 1. It says, based on the periodic table, what is the most common ionic charge for these elements? So if you look in here, Li, lithium, it's number 3. Li, lithium, number 3, meaning that it actually lost 1 electron. That's why it's 1 plus. So what you're going to do on your paper, you're going to put here 1 plus. That's it. All right, the next one is calcium. Calcium is Ca, number 20, and it says that it actually lost 2 electrons. So you're going to put in here 2 plus. All right, for sulfur, S, and F, fluorine, is going to be up to you. You're going to do that part. I'm not going to help you, okay? I believe this is actually very straightforward, and I know you're pretty smart enough to do this section. Moving on to the next part. Ionic compounds, salt. The chemical formula for salt is actually NaCl, meaning that is sodium, Na, which is a metal, and Cl, which is actually a non-metal. So it's always in the metal first and then the non-metal. The name for this one is sodium chloride. Remember, always it ends with the IDE. Chloride, okay? Chloride. Don't forget about that. No chlorine, but chloride, okay? Now, this is the reason why I have this table in here. You're going to find, when you go to the element, to the periodic table, everything ends with an INE or Gen, or INE again, the phosphorus. If you look in here for the ionic name, since we're talking about ionic compounds, everything ends with IDE. IDE, so like in here, chloride, no chlorine, but chloride. That's actually how you're going to be doing this exercise, okay? If you look in here for number 2, it says to name an ionic compound, put the name of the metal, ion first, and then the name of the non-metal, ion second. So that's going to be, the first name is Li. Again, if you go here, Li is number 3, and it says that it's lithium. So you're going to go here, and you're going to write there, lithium. F, if you go in here, is number 9. And if you don't know, just go to the first page, and F, you see that it's number 9. So F, it says is fluorine, number 9. When you go here to fluorine, it says, you're going to change the IND, you're going to replace it with IDE. So it would be fluoride. How do you think it's going to be the second one? You have the Li already. You have the Li, so you know that it's lithium. Now the second part right here is Br. Okay, so you're going to go here. Where is the Br? Where is the Br? You're going to find out the Br is actually number 35. When you go to my CPS classroom, you're going to find number 35. It says bromine. And then when you go here, bromine, remember you're just going to change the last 3 letters. Instead of bromine, it's going to be bromide, IDE. Okay, so bromide. Okay, after that, you're going to do the rest of them. You're done. Okay, that's part 1. If you have any questions, just let me know, but first, watch the video.